Hi, hello, and well, let me show you a couple things about the constraint layout. For now, we will change the constraint layout because the constraint layout is a complex element, okay? It's not the best way to start. If you see, we have a lot of code here. We have almost 40 lines of code, or maybe more or less. But the point here is I can create the same interface in this moment because it's very basic, but with less code. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to design here. We can select constraint layout and we can select refactor. Okay, well, let me see if I can do that. Well, yeah, I can do it in this way. You can use the refactor always, okay, but like always is, for me, I think it's very simple if we do in this way. Okay, let me show you. I will select the constraint layout. I will delete this for linear layout. Okay, if you see, I change only the name. I have a problem here because hey, this linear layout, it's open, so I need obviously to define here. I need to be sure if closed. Okay, it's closed. Okay, and the other point and the other is, well, these constraints definitions is extra. I don't need it. Okay, let me delete the constraint definitions. If you see here, we can delete all these constraint definitions because and you see, well, it's a very easy code here. One more thing I need to do. I need to define the orientation. Okay, the orientation here is vertical. And now you see the error. Okay, it's gone. So now I will put here save. Okay, let's execute the application. And you will see, well, it's different because we don't have the elements here in the middle. That's correct. But at the end, we can say is a definition, but with less code. We can change a couple things. For example, we can use the orientation to, or we have more properties to move that. But well, let's see in the next video. Okay, the point in this video is how we can replace the constraint layout using the linear layout, and the way to do that is only change the name of the element. But in this case, for example, when we are using linear layout, we need the property orientation always, okay? Because if you don't put the orientation, well, probably you will see a warning or something like that. So in this case, we have two elements to define: the vertical, okay, or horizontal. Okay, but this is the topic of the subject for the next video.